2025, the year of spiritual transformation and global revolution. Greetings, I am Jesus Sananda. I am on the path of resurrection and life. I am the great transformation that is now among you, within people and their hearts. Today, you are facing your final trials, decisive moments accompanied by a light never seen before. Now, energy is moving toward truth in all spaces and authenticity on all levels. In 2025, those who sincerely delve into their internal processes will receive the gift of their destiny, for it will be revealed to them. Why were you born, and why are you irreplaceable? The energy has shifted, and it is important to learn the following. 2025 will be a year of great changes with impressive speed. Therefore, it is extremely important to attune yourself and be ready to accept new things. Those who let go of old opinions and convictions will flourish like never before and rise like a phoenix from the ashes. True things will be implemented quickly, supported both terrestrially and celestially. Destructive plans that are still being promoted will lose their strength, placing spiritual revolution as the main characteristic. Next year, there will be a massive spiritual awakening, reaching even those for whom spirituality was once unknown. The spirit will find its way into business, art, politics, and even religions. 2025 will boil down to one thing: what you choose to focus on. Your internal work to heal your heart and free your soul from recent events will be fundamental. It is important to accept the changes in the external world because you are ready for what is yours. Shift your attention to the personal. Transformation will become increasingly important, and its success will become more perceptible and visible. 2025 is a pivotal year when people will gain confidence in true actions and will be able to act in the light and during the harvest. The harvest has already begun. Your intentions filled with light are starting to reflect through specific and positive changes. This year will bring great positive transformations as you align yourself with the absolute truth itself. The entire macrocosm will also align with this scale. Therefore, the revelations and innovations of 2025 will reach unexpected dimensions, generating movement and revitalization at all levels. Africa will free itself, gain self-confidence, and break away from dependence on interactions with the West. A new political structure based on equality will be formed. Those who are unable or unwilling to adapt will find themselves at a disadvantage politically or economically. North America and the United States will undergo significant economic changes, gain new self-knowledge, and return to their roots. This will deprive globalist trends of their space and energy. South America. Individual countries will serve as examples of the pace of change and the success of economic and social transformations. Europe is reaching its ultimate culmination. Nations will enter the next phase of awakening, while the European design will lose significance at all levels. European states will regain their relevance through self-determination and self-awareness, forming and strengthening alliances. Europe is rethinking and recreating itself. Although some will attempt to block the old system, in the end, what the people desire will prevail, not what the systems want. Your power of manifestation is extraordinary. Your desire to accomplish everything with love, even amidst the storms of time, is powerful. Your dedicated work for humanity and yourself is admirable. Germany will face deep challenges before rising again. Its people are not yet ready for brighter things. Germany's history will witness numerous protests and major demonstrations. These images will leave a mark on people and spark a chain reaction, decided politically in the streets and spiritually in hearts. 2025 will be the year of transformation and the year of the first harvest. It awaits you in action, so move forward. Do not be afraid. Continue your work of healing this earth. The end of the world was avoided. Light triumphs over darkness. 2025 is a new beginning, a step forward into the sacred era. Humanity is being reborn, and people are reaching their true greatness by realizing their power. It is important to understand the choice you made, and it doesn't matter where you are today. Through your eyes, you witness events. The only thing that matters about your future is your choice. Continue and complete your internal process of healing and clarification in this world. You will be surrounded by kind people and supported in a loving environment, because truly, I tell you, only the earth will perish, and only the earth will be reborn. With infinite love, I am Jesus Sananda. Dear brothers and sisters of this community, greetings of light and love. I am deeply grateful for your presence. We are walking together on this spiritual path. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of divine light, voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your eternal source of light and love. We are your beacon of light on the journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you.